In today's video, we are going to show you how to update the Exness app on your smartphone. Keeping your app updated ensures you have access to the latest features, security improvements, bug fixes, and performance enhancements. Let's begin. Now, the process is slightly different depending on your device. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, open the App Store. If you're using an Android phone, go to the Google Play Store. I want you to type in Exness, tap the search button. On the app page, you will see one of two buttons. If your button says open, your Exness app is already up to date. If the button says update, a newer version is available. All I have to do now is tap the update button to begin downloading and installing the latest version. The update may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. When it's done, all I have to do now is click the open button to launch the Exness. Of course, you need to enter your PIN to proceed. And once you've done that, you can now enjoy the latest features, improvements, and security updates included in the newest version of the app. And basically, that's how you update the Exness app on both Android and iPhone devices. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.